Alright guys, we are leaving Mr. Ling's homestay and we are leaving Ba Be Lake. It's been a lot of fun here. I've only been here for like 1 day, 1 night. I've got to move on, but this place is beautiful, man. Look at that beautiful rice field. So what I want to try and do is take the motorbike across the lake on one of the boats. So we'll try and see if we can talk to one of the guys driving the boat to take us across and check out the lake and get to the other side. Otherwise, if we ride right around, it's going to be bumpy. It's quite bumpy. Just getting the motorbike on. Here we go. Okay. Looks like we're off.
Đâu đấy rồi em ơi.
We are off. So it looks like we are off. The lake, the Lucky. On the surface, the water's warm, but as Mr. Ling said, the water gets cold once you're in a meter, and you go further down, it gets super cold, the cold currents, and that's normal. Like in the ocean, it's the same. When I'm diving back in Raglan, you dive down 2 meters, man, it gets really cold. You dive down 3 meters, it's even colder. It's like, man. Where's the Crocs? Where are the Crocs? No Crocs. Oh, the butterflies. We're off. Okay. Alright guys, we are heading to Cao Bang, which is right next to the Chinese border, and we're going to head to Bang Dok waterfall, the largest waterfall here in Vietnam. It's funny because the waterfall itself it's bordered. Half of the waterfall falls in China and the other half falls in Vietnam. So if I'm gonna use the drone, I've got to be careful not to go into China's border. And we obviously know that borders are all fake anyway, illusions. I mean, a bird doesn't go, whoops, I better not go into China, I better stay in Vietnam. No, a bird will just go in any place it wants to go. But this is the reality we live in. Anyway guys, let's head to Bangkok. Alright guys, I just had a bit of a pit stop, had to do a stop and a little rest and break. I'm not sure what these, they look like artichokes to be honest. I'm sure those are artichokes. I have a really good feeling that those are artichokes and that they're going to make tea out of them. I used to grow artichokes back on the farm in Pokeno Heartland Farm. Anyway, yeah, I am just having a bit of a break at the moment on the motorbike. Well, it's been a bit of a long 2-hour drive across the mountains. I'm heading from Ba Be Lake to Cao Bang, and eventually I want to head to Bangkok waterfall, which is about another 2 hours on the motorbike from Cao Bang. And hopefully we can get some accommodation, guys, because as you know, the CV is running rampant around Vietnam, especially in Hanoi, so a lot of the locals are on really high alert, super tripping out, or I will call it obsessive anxiety towards speculation of CV. So we are at a stop here, COVID stop, guys, in the hills, just before Cao Bang. I don't think they've got an English form for me. Looks like I've got to fill out something. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye. So we had another police stop there. That one I had to fill out a declaration, just telling them that where I've been, where I'm going to basically, and just some of my details, passport number, that kind of thing. And also I have to check whether I've got a sore throat or not, or whether I'm sneezing or not. So you've got to do like those health declarations, and you do them at the accommodation as well. You've got to fill them out. It's just for, I guess, tracking purposes for people that get infected. They can source some of the others that have been in contact with those that have been infected. It was quite easy though, and no trouble. But yeah, the borders between provinces, they have those booths set up. So if you are traveling around Vietnam and you come into one of the provinces, you will come to a stop like that, you'll get stopped. So just make sure you pull over and just fill out the details, and they pretty much just make sure that you aren't infected with the CV. They do a thermometer check. They don't do a test, so they don't ram anything up your nose or anything like that. They just do a thermometer check, which is pretty weird. Anyway,